Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common problem faced by Windows 10 users: unresponsive applications. We'll walk you through some simple steps to force quit those troublesome apps. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom and select Task Manager. This will open up the Task Manager window, which allows you to manage running applications and processes. Step 2. Find the not responding app and click on End Task. Scroll through the list of applications in the Task Manager and locate the app that is causing trouble. Once you've found it, simply click on End Task to force quit the unresponsive app. Step 3. Check if the app is using high system resources. If you're curious about why the app is not responding, you can go to More Details in the Task Manager. Here, you can check if the app is consuming excessive system resources, such as CPU or memory. This information can help you troubleshoot the issue further. Step 4. Kill the app using the Go to Details option. In some cases, the End Task option might not work. In such situations, you can try killing the app by going to More Details in the Task Manager. Right-click on the task related to the unresponsive app and choose the Go to Details option. Once you've reached the Details tab, right-click on the task again and select either End Task or End Process Tree to force quit the app. And there you have it. 4 simple steps to force quit unresponsive apps on Windows 10. Remember, force quitting an app should be done as a last resort. It's always a good idea to save your work before attempting to force quit an application. We hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.